Hi everyone, Ms. Conning here, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of how to access and use Google Calendar to help you be organized and the most efficient student you can be. So here you can see I am on my Google Classroom homepage. You get to this by clicking on classes and it takes you to your classroom portal, if you will. I have all of my classes listed. I want to show you the three quick ways to access Google Calendar. First, let's start from left to right. If you click on the main menu and you click on Calendar, it's going to kick you out of Google Classroom and take you to your calendar. You can see here, if you pull it down, you can see your calendar for each individual class, or you can see everything all at once. So let's say you were curious about when an assignment was due for something, you could click on that calendar and loop through and see. I've had some things due in the past few weeks for my Google Classroom, and so I would look at that. Now, if you want to just keep it generically for all the classes, you can go there. This is not your entire calendar, though. If you notice, I can't create any appointments or anything. I'm just viewing it. Another way to access your Google Calendar is within the classroom. So if you go to classwork, you will see at the top Google Calendar link. You can click on that and it will pop open a new window and you can see all of your calendars. So I have several things to show you about here, but really quickly, I want to show you the third way, and you can get to this from any tab. If you notice, this Google Apps buttons is up here. You click on it and it will open a new tab again. Boom. And you have two of them open at once with your Google Calendar. Okay, so let's look at the left side underneath your calendar. You have several buttons you can click down. You will have a down drop arrow where you can see any calendars you've created. So because I am the teacher, I have a ton of calendars I've created. I also have my Team Conning calendar, which is for my ex-husband and my kids and I. 3 kids and mom. This is where I put appointments for the kids so they know where I'm at, and so on. So that being said, I have a lot of calendars that I have active. My calendars, other calendars will show up classes I'm enrolled in. This is where you will find my class and all of your other classes. You should drop that down and you want to double check that all of your classes are clicked. If they are not clicked, they will not show up. So make sure you are clicking them so you can see them. Now this will give you a big picture view of every class and when your assignments and stuff are due. If you click on something, it will expand it. You can see the details and so on. Okay, so let's look at one of my assignments. If you are in the month view like me, you will see that any full day assignment that does not have a specific time that it's due will be a bar across the entire page. If you're looking at the week view, it will be the same thing. You'll notice here the assignment 10 mental health, blah, blah, blah. I can't read the whole thing. If you go to the day view, it will be the same concept. It will be at the top, and as you scroll through your day, it will hold there to remind you to go to it. So let's say we click on that assignment. It's going to show you the directions for the assignment, and then there will be a hyperlink that you can click on and open. I'm hoping that if I click on and open that in a new tab, it will keep recording. Last time I recorded this, it went away and my recording stopped. So let's go to the new tab. There we are. So if you look here, here's my assignment, any attachments, and so on. So you are going to be able to access and see anything you need to do for that assignment. So what do I want for you to do today? For today's assignment, I want you to take a screenshot of this to show me that you have all of your classes clicked and that you can see our classes showing up whichever period you are, okay? I would do that a different way than you because I am on my computer at home. I would click take a full screen and it will then take a shot for me. You will be using the tutorial video I provided to show you how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook. Once you have that screenshot in our assignment, you would click the add button, go to your drive, and you would look for it. It would probably be one of the last things, or you would have to upload from your downloads because you would have downloaded that separately. Okay, so you would look for it there. Then you would double click to add it, or I already have that file attached. Well, duh, because I did this for the last video that cut off. So you would add it, and then hopefully it would work, and then you can turn it in. You'll see here, this is my image. I screenshot this so that I could show myself, okay, I have all of these classes I can see, and we are good to go. All right, so I'm going to close this out, take us back all the way to one of our classes. And as a reminder, let you know also that in your class stream, you can always view when assignments are upcoming on the left side. And if you click view all, it will take you to a breakdown per class and tell you exactly what is assigned to you. And when it is due, you can drop down the menu and look at every single class that you have. Okay, so this is all classes, everything that you can see when it is due. There, I put a bunch of assignments in there for another class. And my view will look slightly different from yours because obviously I am the teacher. So that is a quick Google Calendar tour. Again, as always, if you have any questions, please do not be shy and let me know, and I will be happy to give you guidance and one-on-one support. Talk to you all soon. Bye.